What's up? It's your guy Naujoxx and welcome to my channel where I am showing you the hardest street style tips and tricks ever. Today, I will show you 3 outfit combinations with your white Air Force Ones, so you know how to style them. Let's get right into it. I get this question quite a lot on TikTok recently. How do I style Vapor Maxes, Jordan 1s, Air Force 1s and all those type of sneakers? So I thought it could be a very nice and interesting YouTube topic and series where I show you how to style certain sneakers. I have already posted a video on how to style Jordan 1s, and if you haven't watched it already, just click right here. As Air Force 1s are requested the most recently, I wanted to show you some nice combinations of them today. But let's not waste too much time talking and let's jump right into the first fit. The first outfit is a very bright combination and consists of white Air Force 1s, what a surprise, and a cold wall cream swim shorts and a matching Nike swoosh t-shirt. And as all white is something that only a few people really enjoy wearing, I chose those cream shorts from a cold wall to not make it too white. A very important detail of this outfit is that you should always wear longer socks. I personally do not like wearing low socks or mid socks. The legs look very weird in my opinion when doing that. All in all, I would wear this outfit on a daily basis, but it could also work as a clean event fit for birthday or general parties. The second outfit combination is also a shorts combo and perfect for a nice and chill summer day when hanging with your friends or enjoying your day anywhere. Starting off with an Astroworld t-shirt that makes this outfit stand out. I love this t-shirt design from the Travis X Fortnite edition. As I want the focus to be on the t-shirt, I am now going with grey shorts from Mackenzie. Those match perfectly, and even though they're not the same color, combining black, grey or white together always works. Also, sweat shorts are very comfy and that is a very important factor to me as well. To spice this outfit up a little bit more, I chose a grey reflective bag. I don't wear them too often, but sometimes they can really make a difference within your outfit. Last but not least, we obviously have the Air Force 1s again, making this outfit complete. As I usually don't mix too many colors within one outfit, I'd love to get your feedback on this outfit. So please rate this from 1 to 10 in the comments down below. The third and last outfit combination with the white Air Force 1s is an all black cargo and t-shirt combo. Although it's summer recently, I wanted to have at least one outfit combo without shorts. An all black combo with white sneakers always works in every cases, whether it's a casual or a street style fit. What I like a lot about this outfit is that it's very chill for an everyday wear. So I would mostly wear combos like that to go meet friends or hang around somewhere. With the bucket hat, you're adding some detail and spice into the outfit, which is not 100% necessary, but helps to create a special vibe. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope that I could give you a little inspiration on how to style your white Air Force 1s. Let me know what outfit combination you like the most and whether I missed something in your opinion. And if you want my opinion on a style combination that you like, just send me a DM on Instagram so I can give you my rating. Also, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more fashion and photography content. See you in the next videos. Over and